Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on TradingView mobile application. So first of all, you need to launch your TradingView application, then tap on any of the watch list charts available over here. So for example, let's say I've opened this particular chart here. Now after launching the chart, you just have to tap on this arrow icon here in the bottom. Now when you tap on it for the very first time, in order to place your trades on the TradingView, you need to either connect your broker over here or you need to start with paper trading. So currently I've already enabled the paper trading in my case, and that's why the buy and the sell options are available over here. So as per your trading analysis, you just have to select whether you want to place the sell order or whether you want to place the buy order. For example, let's say I want to place the buy order over here, so I'm going to select the buy option. Afterwards, we have the market order and the limit order and the stop order. So here, if you want to place the buy trade at the current price, you can select the market order, but if you want to set the price on your own, you can select the limit order. So for now, I'm going to select the market order. Then in the unit, you just have to enter the amount that you want to place your order with. Afterwards, you can add the SL and the TP options over here. Then tap on the option of buy in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now as you can see, I have successfully placed my buy trade over here, and that's how you can basically place a trade. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.